Okay, we're at the American Red Cross Myrtle Beach fixed site rooftop, and we're doing an evaluation of the rooftop HVAC gas pack units. These units were manufactured and installed in 1999. This is RTU1 that we're looking at. The cooling fins on the condensing coils are in bad shape. Fan motors housing is in bad shape. The unit is 18 years old, and it looks like it. The curb adapters seem in pretty good condition. This is RTU number 2. Again, the cooling fins are in pretty bad shape. Fan motor housing assembly has seen better days. There's rust along the base of the units. And again, this is a 17-year-old unit. Gas pack.